If you're on Medicare, you probably have seen advertisements at one point or another that are offering you monthly grocery cards. But how do you actually get a grocery card when you're on Medicare? Hi, I'm Larry Goist, owner of LMS Insurance Group, where we help seniors navigate the Medicare Maze. So in today's short video, I'm telling you guys all about the monthly grocery card that you're seeing advertised on Medicare plans. And I'm gonna go over three real basic topics. So number one, I'm gonna tell you exactly how food benefits ended up in Medicare plans. Number two, I'm gonna tell you how you might qualify for this type of benefit. And then thirdly, I'll tell you a couple things that you should know about these grocery cards, and that's all coming up next. Hey, before I dive in, don't forget to like our channel. Definitely subscribe if you find this helpful. I really appreciate you doing that. Thanks. So how did a monthly grocery card become part of your Medicare plan? Well, this all started in 2020 when CMS started allowing Medicare Advantage organizations to offer what they call special supplemental benefits for the chronically ill. So prior to 2020, there was no sort of food card, there was no sort of utility assistance or anything like that included in Medicare plans. So these are non-health related items that Medicare Advantage plans can include in their coverage to improve the lives of the beneficiary. And these different benefits range from things like transportation, monthly grocery cards, some do utility assistance, pest control, amongst many other supplemental benefits. Now these allowances, they vary greatly depending on where you live and on a number of other conditions such as your socioeconomical status and if you have any sort of chronic illness. So we know of plans that offer grocery cards as little as $10 a month, and I also know of plans that offer grocery cards as much as $300 a month. But again, not everybody is going to qualify for those plans, so you need to check in your area to see what is offered based on your special circumstance. So how do you qualify for this type of benefit? Well, for starters, you have to be enrolled in a Part C Medicare Advantage plan. And as of 2024, 54% of people on Medicare had a Part C plan. So you won't find a grocery card or any supplemental special benefit in a Medicare supplement or an original Medicare. You have to be enrolled in some type of Part C Medicare Advantage plan. And just because you're enrolled in a Part C Advantage plan that offers that benefit does not mean you are going to be able to take advantage of it. Because as the name indicates, you have to have some sort of chronic illness. Because again, remember, it's the SSBCI, the Special Supplemental Benefit for Chronically Ill. So there is basically two ways you're going to qualify for a monthly grocery card. Number one would be if you had a health condition that was listed on your Medicare Advantage organization's list. Now, I've seen these lists from dozens of insurers, and they all look a little bit different. So I know of Part C plans that will give you a grocery card just because you have high blood pressure, but I know others where you have to have things like COPD or congestive heart failure to actually qualify for that benefit. Now, any Part C plan that participates in the value-based insurance design model, they can offer these benefits to people based on socioeconomical status and income. So in other words, you don't have to have a chronic condition if you are in a plan that operates under those rules. So just because you are middle to low income, that alone might be a qualifying condition to get this monthly food benefit. Now, I think where people get frustrated is that you see these advertisements all over the place. You see advertisements offering lucrative cards, and the reality is only a small percentage of people actually qualify. So according to the most recent data, in 2024, only 15% of Part C Medicare Advantage plans offered some type of a monthly food benefit. And you would also have to have that chronic condition or fall into those socio-economical status reasons to qualify. So, again, 15% of the plans offered it, and then you're not even guaranteed to get that benefit if you're on that plan. Now, when it comes to special need plans, which is a certain type of Medicare Advantage plan for people based on income, when it comes to special needs plans, 49% of the plans right now currently offer that type of benefit. So again, on regular Medicare Advantage plans, which is a plan that anybody can enroll in, 15% offer the benefit, whereas on the special needs plans, which is designed for low-income beneficiaries, 49% of those plans offer that grocery benefit. Okay, so what should you know about these monthly grocery allowances? Well, the first thing is that most of the time, these allowances do not roll over month to month. Now, I do know of several Part C companies where they do offer monthly rollover, but the majority of the plans right now, if you don't use it, you lose it. Now, furthermore, there is no plan that is going to roll your allowance over year to year. So what you don't use by December 31st of that year, you will lose on January 1st because Medicare Advantage plans are only 1-year contracts. So they can't roll that food benefit over to the next year because it's just a 1-year contract with CMS. Now, the larger dollar amounts that you see, when you see an advertisement saying $150, $200, $300 a month, there's a 99% chance that that is going to be a special needs plan. And again, special needs plans are for low-income Medicare beneficiaries. Okay, now when you see a monthly grocery benefit of $50 or less, that's more likely to be on a Medicare Advantage plan that anybody can enroll in. But if you see that real high dollar amount, or you see the deceptive advertisement saying $3,000 annually, okay, that's going to be a special needs plan, which you have to fall under a certain income guideline to qualify for. Now, each Part C plan operates a little bit differently, but the majority of plans, you have your regular health insurance card, and then you get a side debit card that you get for your grocery allowance. And you could take that debit card to a variety of different stores, but again, each company contracts with different stores. But it's going to be very typical that you can go to places like Walmart, Giant Eagle, Walgreens, Family Dollar, amongst dozens of other stores, but each company is going to have a different list. And plans and benefits are definitely very regional. So if you want to find out what's available in your area, or you want to know the ins and outs of what you may qualify for, go ahead and use the information on the screen, as me or somebody in my office would love to assist. But in general, guys, don't be fooled when it says a $3,000 benefit. What those advertisements are doing is A, they're being deceptive, but B, they're dividing that by 12 months. I've never seen a grocery card that offers more than $350 a month, and that is on a special needs plan, which only a small segment of the population is going to qualify for. When it comes to the monthly grocery benefits of $50 or less, those are more readily available. And again, if you reach out to us or any local broker, they can help you explore those options. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Until next time, Larry Goist, LMS Insurance Group. Thanks.